Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that shows most ads. This centralizes control. Once signed in, open ad settings and ads personalization so you can turn options off. Make sure you also check Chrome or Android ad settings and any ad-related extensions you installed. They can override or supplement Google settings. Keep a list of devices and browsers you use so you can repeat steps where needed. This saves time and prevents gaps when you turn off personalization and ad tracking. Next, you disable the core tracking features that fuel targeted ads. In Google account, switch off ads personalization and opt out of ad topics. This reduces tailored ads. Then disable web and app activity and YouTube history so fewer signals are collected. After that, clear browser cookies and cache to remove existing ad identifiers and uninstall or disable ad-serving extensions that can reintroduce tracking. Make sure to repeat these changes on each browser and device you use so the effort propagates across your ecosystem. Finally, you add active blocking and verify results. Install a reputable ad blocker and set privacy extensions to strict mode. This stops most served ads. Then opt out of interest-based ads via industry opt-out tools and adjust device-level ad settings to limit ad tracking. Once done, check multiple devices and browsers to confirm ads decreased. If ads persist, make sure account sync didn't re-enable personalization, clear remaining cookies, and recheck extension conflicts. These are the usual causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.